Hello everyone, welcome to another Tales from the Bench. Today I am fixing a MIDI controller. It's called Mitigator RFC-1 by a company called Butler. Here it is. It's the back Butler and this is the front. Really cool. What I like about this is that the entire menu system, as far as getting into it and making your program changes, everything, it's right on the panel. You don't have to go through these weird keystrokes, whatever, or try to learn the MIDI syntax and create a file that then send it to the controller. You can do everything on here. And then you can actually send the file to the computer for storage. Very cool. Anyways, you can attach a continuous controller. So you can program that for volume or an effect parameter or even a wah if your preamp unit has a built-in wah. So that's kind of cool. Thanks to Mr. Mike Alvarez for introducing me to this controller. Back in the 90s, we were in a rock band and cover rock band. Well, it was an original rock band and cover rock band. And we had tons of MIDI gear. And I had just a simple preamp, so I had a simple foot controller. But he had several MIDI devices in his rack, and he used this specific one to control everything. So I have a huge rack with a bunch of preamps that I want to control. But for the sake of argument, I wanted to use this, and when I plugged it in, when I got about 2 years ago, I had a message on it that said all memory lost. These units do have an internal battery. When I opened it up, it's a very flat, long battery with 2 pins on one side for the positive and 1 pin on the other side for the negative. It was a nickel cadmium battery that leaked, and the package was bulged out, as what happens with some rechargeable batteries that leak, and it was damaged. Luckily it didn't damage the PC board, but I intended to source the battery and I couldn't find it. There's no similar form factor for it. There is a replacement battery for it, but it's not the same packaging. These will be a stubbier size, still a 2 pin on one side, 1 pin on the other, but it's not the same distance. So I had to do a workaround on that. I added a pin, I bent the single pin, soldered an extension pin on there, and then put another jumper where the other pin was, and then I put a cable in between, a small little jumper cable, so that way it would make the negative connection and it would retain the memory. So this unit right now works, but I'm gonna go through all the fixes and all the things that I did, okay? Thanks. unplug it because I changed the battery. Everything is there.